Welcome to Devices Help and Support, your ultimate destination for all things related to the device's setup, troubleshooting and optimizing your tech experiences. Are you guys struggling with weak Wi-Fi signals? Don't be panic. Today we will solve your problem in just few minutes. So in today's video we will discuss how to set up NETGEAR Orbi RBS760 AX5400 tri-band system. If you're looking for the best Wi-Fi extender that easily extend your home Wi-Fi, then this video is specially made for you. Basically, the NETGEAR Orbi RBS760 AX5400 tri-band Wi-Fi 6 is an add-on satellite designed to work with an Orbi RBR760 router. So without wasting any time, let's start the setup process. Firstly, turn off your internet modem. Connect the modem to the Orbi router's Internet WAN port using the Ethernet cable. Turn on the modem. Wait about 2 to 3 minutes until the modem is fully online. Plug the Orbi router into a power outlet. Wait several minutes until the router finishes starting up. The router LED will indicate that it is ready for setup. Download the Orbi app from the Apple App Store or Google Play Store on your smartphone or tablet. Open the app and tap Get Started. If you already have an account, tap Sign In. New users must tap Create Account and enter email address, password or security questions. Verify your email if requested. The app will ask you to scan the QR code. Locate the QR code on the bottom of the Orbi router or the Quick Start Guide. Use your phone's camera to scan it. If scanning doesn't work, tap Continue without scanning. Enter the router information manually. The app will automatically connect to the router. Now create your personal Wi-Fi network. Enter Wi-Fi network name, SSID, strong Wi-Fi password. Choose a password that includes uppercase letters, lowercase letters, numbers, or special characters. This password will be used by every wireless device in your home. Now it's time to install the satellite. Plug the satellite into a power outlet. Place it near the router for the first setup. Wait several minutes while it powers on. The Orbi app will begin searching for the satellite automatically. Once the satellite appears in the app, tap Add Satellite. Wait while the router and satellite synchronize. The pairing process usually takes 3 to 5 minutes. Do not unplug either device during synchronization. Now the setup ID complete. Now your setup process is complete. I hope this video will prove helpful for you. In case you face any type of difficulty, you are free to contact our professional experts at 1-323-507-3713. Our experts team will always guide you. Thank you so much to watching our video. And lastly, don't forget to like, share and subscribe our YouTube channel Devices Help and Support. Stay tuned for more updates.